Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Hey, not exactly in the mood to go crazy and get in front of a camera or do a long video. I will just mention this: the Omni has flipped back to red in E-mini, S&P, and NASDAQ. That is 8 Omni flip-flops in 10 trading sessions. That's insanity, kids. In any event, we've got a red Omni for trading on Monday. That's March 11, 2024. There's lots of other stuff out there I wanted to discuss with you, but I've got something else going on. I've got my baby Baldwin, like the piano Baldwin. He has eaten something which has become lodged in his intestines, and we've been back and forth to the vet with him for 3 days now, and basically we're at this spot. I'm going to babysit him again all night tonight. Got him on a laxative. If he does not pass what's in his intestines, tomorrow morning I'm taking him to the vet where they're going to cut him open and remove it. So I'm trying to save the boy surgery. I took him home on Friday night and said, you know what? Before you cut him open, let me give him 2 days, let me give him a laxative, let me walk him. But he's so weak, in a weakened state from not eating, he doesn't want to do anything. So I think he's going to end up in surgery tomorrow morning, my little baby. I'll let you know how that goes. So I'm just not in the mood to jump around and go crazy. You know, this dog's had my attention for the last 3 days now, and we're worried that he might not make it. So just wanted to leave you with this. I will have Omni recommendations at livewithoscar.com. They're out there already. But I think I will be finding myself at the veterinarians tomorrow and probably not in front of the camera. I'm going to pray that that doesn't happen. I'm going to pray that this guy can pass what's in him and move on about his business. But otherwise, under the knife you go tomorrow, kid. All right, traders, I'll let you know how that works out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry about the solemn, attitude, but I'll catch up with you guys on Tuesday or Monday night. All right, thanks for tuning in. Have a great evening. Wish my dog Baldwin well, and I'll speak to you all at livewithoscar.com.